Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor. We're gonna get the stream started in just a couple minutes, so stay tuned if you just came through. I'm gonna pull it up on my phone so I can see the chat better. Hey Jay, how you doing, man? And he is live. Oh my god, long day, But a lot happening with crypto today. Looking really nice the way things are going. I think we're almost at the FOMO point. I read an article today talking about how, I think it's Mike Novogratz thinks that, or maybe it was Tom Lee, thinks that the FOMO point for Bitcoin is going to be about $10,000, and at that point, all of the naysayers are it's gonna be too precious and not miss out on it. So that's fine, Jay. Don't worry about it, man. It's completely fine. It's just whenever you could, you know. It's not an expectation of you to donate. It's just if you could donate, it's great. It's not an expectation. Just do it when you can, and it's completely fine. We are going around like 450 a week for Bitcoin, yes. And there's some more interesting speculation coming out today with PayPal now and eBay. So eBay might be on the brink of accepting Bitcoin, which I think will be remarkable. That will just add to the massive adoption we're seeing. We're seeing the institutions gearing up and entering the market, beginning to enter the market, and I think it's only a matter of time until we really hit that massive bull run, the massive one that really accelerates, where Bitcoin hits 50K, XRP's hitting $15, $10, whatever. I know there's different price predictions out there. Ethereum's 5-10xing in price. I think we're getting close to that level. All Aesthetics asked, do you think alts will pump soon? Yes, I do. We can already see that they're kind of bouncing a bit today. What's happening right now is the Bitcoin is taking more market share. As you can see, All Aesthetics Bitcoin dominance is up to 60.3%. So Bitcoin is rising relative to altcoins, but that's okay if the entire market goes up, right? So it's okay if Bitcoin takes more market share if the market cap doubles, because alts could still grow alongside Bitcoin. So yeah, I think alts will pump soon. We are seeing some price action with the alts. I mean, Ethereum's up to, it touched $200 the other day. I think it was today actually. It touched $200, came down a little bit. So don't sleep on the altcoins. When the altcoins were down, I put out a live stream saying accumulate, buy them while they're cheap. They're still cheap relative to Bitcoin. The alts have not pumped up as much as Bitcoin, so the altcoins right now are the bargain deal. Bitcoin could be a good play if you're trying to do some swing trades or something, but you should have been accumulating Bitcoin at the $3,000 to $5,000 level. Now it's starting to pump. The altcoins are the bargain play right now, and that's why I think people should be accumulating, getting some Ethereum, getting some XRP, some Litecoin, some EOS, some Binance Coin, whatever floats your boat, but really broaden your bag with the altcoins. Jay says Whole Foods is going to transition into accepting crypto, then Amazon will probably follow. I mean, yeah, Amazon has already flirted with blockchain tech in the past. It's only a matter of time until they begin to accept crypto, especially if eBay does. And especially if Whole Foods does as well, because as you probably know, I think Amazon owns Whole Foods, I believe. So definitely don't sleep on the altcoins. And we know now Fidelity is not only going to be interested in Bitcoin. A lot of people were discouraged because they're like, oh, they're doing Bitcoin first. They're just going to be a Bitcoin, pro-Bitcoin institution. But no, Fidelity doesn't care about which crypto. They care about making money, and they're going to support Bitcoin first, and then the altcoins will follow. Okay? The altcoins will follow after Bitcoin. That's how everything in crypto has gone so far. Bitcoin gets the money first and it floods into the altcoins, okay? And that's just because of the name recognition that Bitcoin has, okay? All Aesthetics asks, is this pump even sustainable? I think so. I think it depends on what your definition of sustainable is, because is it true that we're going to have pullbacks, right? We saw a pullback the other day. You know, there's going to be 5-10% pullbacks along this bull run, all right? So to me, the question isn't sustainability. It's how long can we go on with the bull run? Because the bull run is going to be like a couple steps forward, one step back, couple steps forward, one step back. And those step backs are positions that you could accumulate more crypto on, okay? So I do think it's sustainable. I think there's going to be pullbacks, as always. There might be a couple big pullbacks. I mean, crypto's very volatile. It's still a very new industry, okay? And I think that... I don't know. I definitely think that this could be sustainable. All Aesthetic says, I think we need a crash. I don't know about that. I mean, it depends on where you think we are. If you are of the position that the last bear market cleaned out the speculative money and kind of got us to a floor, then I don't think we need a crash just yet. If you think that bear market in this bull market right now is just a false rally, then yes, then you'll think we need a crash. It depends on where it all depends on where you think we are in the market cycle. Okay, where are we in the market cycle? Are we in a bear market that's having a false reversal and we're in a fake bull market, or is the bear market over and we're actually in a bull market? And there's people on both sides of the aisle there. I guess if Tether gets taken down, Tether is very suspicious. There is a lot of suspicion around Tether. I'm not going to doubt that. It's something that needs to be kept a close eye on. I'm not going to doubt that Tether has done some shady things and needs to be watched. But yeah, let's get into this article. Rumors of eBay accepting crypto payments. Is this why PayPal was ditched? Adverts seen at Consensus 19 are fueling rumors that eBay will incorporate crypto payments into their website. While there's been no official announcements to this effect, the internet is already awash with hearsay on which cryptocurrencies eBay will use. At the same time, this has put the relationship with PayPal back in the spotlight. Did eBay ditch PayPal over the refusal to incorporate crypto payments? Consensus 2019 kicked off in Manhattan, New York. The annual blockchain event provides a forum for members of the cryptocurrency community to debate the issues. This year's lineup include many notable figures within the space, such as Ryan Selke, CEO of Missouri, as well as several government representatives, including SEC Commissioner, Hester Pierce. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. Photos shared from the event showed several interesting play cards from eBay. They read virtual currency, it's happening on eBay, and reach 179 million active buyers in the world's largest marketplace. As an event sponsor, it's clear that eBay is interested in exploring how blockchain can benefit their business. But of more considerable significance is the endorsement of crypto from a major internet retailer, which gives further confirmation of changing sentiment towards cryptocurrency. So I think it's very possible. That eBay could incorporate crypto into their website. And here's why. Look at it from eBay's perspective. eBay has this massive thing called Amazon that is really threatening them in a way. Not completely. There are different business models. I get that. But it is threatening a lot of their turf. You have other large online companies like Walmart. Walmart's website is actually very large, surprisingly. There's a lot of competition in the e-commerce space, and the companies that innovate are the ones that are going to capture more market share. So look at it from eBay's perspective. They have very little to lose when it comes to incorporating crypto. They only could gain stuff, right? It's not like they're going to lose anything by incorporating crypto. It's only something they could gain. They're going to gain either a lot or a medium amount or a little bit, but they're going to gain something by incorporating crypto. So I think it's very possible. Jay asks, Phil, do you swing trade? Esther Pierce, aka Crypto Mom. LOL. Yeah, I do swing. Here's the thing with swing trading. I used to swing trade a lot more. I still do it a bit, but I don't do it to the degree I used to. I used to really be into swing trading. I would also do price arbitrage. I'd buy at certain exchanges and sell at other ones, but swing trading is probably my favorite type of trading because to me, it gives you the best time to reward ratio, right? So if you want to day trade, you have to be on the ball, on the charting data, doing your research every day, 24/7, and that gives you the most reward, but it's also the most risk. Then on the opposite end there is just long-term investing, which I also do, which is good. In long-term investing, you don't have to do as much research. It's more fundamentals, looking at which coins have utility value. Hey, I'm going to buy those on the dip and hold them for years, right? That's the long term. And in the middle is swing trading, which is you do some technicals on it. You look at the moving averages, RSI. You look at Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are a huge tool to use when you're swing trading. Probably my favorite tool is Bollinger Bands. And you look at that, and then you also do the fundamentals. And swing trading, I feel, is a comfortable medium. So I do enjoy swing trading. I do it here and there on, in today's market. I used to do it a lot more, but I still think there's a lot of money to be made with swing trading. Absolutely. Okay, so what is happening on eBay? Although the company has not announced the integration of crypto payments on its platform, that hasn't stopped rumors of it happening. If true, the next question, which coins will make the cut? With one Twitter user suggesting Binance Coin, BNB. BNB is primarily used for obtaining discounted trading fees, but then again, the coin's use case goes beyond that. Partnerships with various organizations, including PunDX and Travel by Bit, show that BNB does offer payment functionality, as well as CZ's past comments on Amazon indicate he is at least thinking about e-commerce. In this tweet, CZ spoke about the advantages of internet businesses using crypto payments. Quote, "For any internet-based business, I don't understand why anyone would not accept crypto for payments. It's easier, faster, and cheaper to integrate than traditional payment gateways, less paperwork, and reaches more diverse demographics and geography." So you have a lot here. You have CZ interested in e-commerce. You have eBay. It would make sense for them to do this. You have consensus, these rumors, these images leaked. I think it's possible. I'm not saying it's going to happen soon. I'm just saying it's very possible that eBay could incorporate cryptocurrency payments into their platform. All right. So definitely watch eBay. Keep your eye on eBay. And in fact, that would benefit me a lot, actually, because a lot of people don't know this, but I sell on eBay. I do flipping. I'll buy stuff for cheap and sell it for more on there. Sometimes I just sell things I already have as well. And I would love to be able to accept crypto. If I could sell something on eBay and be like, hey, man, just send me some XRP, I'd be happy, right, as a merchant on eBay. Now, I'm not sure how it would work with eBay integration, but I'm sure they could figure it out. I certainly think that it's possible, okay? Now we can move on to the market today. Also, guys, if you do want to support the stream, super chats are incredibly appreciated. Go right through YouTube. You can do a super chat, or if you want to send me some XRP or some Bitcoin, my wallet addresses are in the description of this video. Again, only send what you can. I'm not asking for it. It's just, it helps support the stream. And, I'm a one-man show over here. I don't have corporate backing. YouTube's weird with the monetization, very inconsistent with monetization. So anything anyone can send my way, really do appreciate it if you could. I know Jay's been very generous with the donations. I really do appreciate it, Jay. And anyone else, if you want to send some XRP or some Bitcoin through my addresses or do a super chat, it is immensely appreciated. But now let's get into the markets today. So we saw there was a pullback and we have rebounded. Bitcoin is up 10%. I mean, the Bitcoin dominance is just growing and growing and growing every day. I don't get it. It just keeps growing. However, altcoins are also growing when you compare total market caps. Thank you for the $3 donation, Jay. I really appreciate it, brother. Been looking and wanting to get fully into trading. Yes, trading is something that requires a ton of upfront research. It's something that you have to really look at upfront and do your research ahead of time. One thing I could recommend is if you're going to start trading, right? They have games that you could start trading with that you could kind of play with fake money, or if you really want to have the stakes there, start trading with small amounts of money. Start trading with, you know, $50, right? That's how I started. I didn't start off with hundreds of dollars. I started off with like $50 and started trading that way. And you definitely could learn a lot. There's a lot of information. I've actually done videos on trading in the past. If you look up after this live stream or whatever, the Naughty Investor trading cryptocurrency, I'm sure something will come up. I've done some videos on it in the past. But you can make a lot of money trading. It could be a great side hustle as well. If you know, when you're not working, you come home, you do some trading. It'd be a great side hustle. Definitely, I would. It could be something that can make you a lot of money. Jay also says 60% dominance. Last time it was that high was in early December 2017, right before the parabolic run. Yes, it seems like as Bitcoin dominance rises, it triggers the bull run, and the altcoins also benefit from that. So it's not a lot of people get concerned, should I have my money in Bitcoin or altcoins? And I say, have your money in both. Have a well-diversified portfolio. You know, I own a lot of XRP. I'm a big investor in XRP, but I also own some Ethereum. I also own some Bitcoin. It seems like as Bitcoin dominance trigger gets higher and higher and higher, just the money floods in. Jay says he believes I was YouTube recommended one of my videos. That's a first. YouTube recommending my videos. Yeah, YouTube's weird, man. I've had months on here that I've gotten 1 million views. I've had months that I've gotten 10,000 views. It's the luck of the draw. That's the algorithm. And that's why I really appreciate when you can send the donations, because it does help supplement that, because YouTube is very wildly inconsistent with that. But yeah, YouTube finally recommended my stuff. Not too bad. But yeah, most of your top coins up today. Bitcoin 10%, Ethereum 4%, XRP 4%, EOS 3%, Binance Coin almost 15% on Binance Coin. What is going on after a hack? How bullish is this market? How bullish? For an exchange to get hacked and that exchange's coin to be at 15% today. Remarkable. Biggest coin on the day is Clams. Is that fried or on the half shell? I'm not sure, but up 15%, followed by Factum, also 15%, and then Binance Coin, which I already mentioned. Maximind Coin down 9%, and Japan Content down 6%. Again, dominance at Bitcoin dominance at 60%. Total market cap just about 227 billion US dollars. So the markets are looking really good today, guys. We can move into I want to talk about XRP. It has now become available. This is just a quick thing, just an update for any of the New York listeners. I know I do have some people from New York in the audience, maybe not in the live stream, but who will watch it after the live stream's over when it turns to a video. New York has officially gotten XRP available for their Coinbase users. I know New York's regulations are different than the rest of the country, so you can see that XRP is now available for trading for New York residents using Coinbase, according to a tweet from the San Fran-based cryptocurrency exchange themselves. In January, Coinbase announced that it was listing the cryptocurrency. However, at the time of the announcement, XRP was not available for trading in the state of New York. That's just more draconian government regulation. Jay says, because CZ can run his money making exchanges with mistakes that he corrects, transparency is the key in the crypto space. I absolutely agree. I think CZ handled it well. Absolutely. I think the crypto community as a whole, I think has, even after the hack, I think has a very positive outlook on Binance, right? You could look at exchanges like Coinbase, where, yeah, a lot of the newer investors, and like I have a Coinbase on the side and stuff, just for like, you know, an extra wallet or whatever, just as like a side account. But a lot of people don't really have a positive opinion on Coinbase. But when it comes to Binance, people love Binance for whatever reason. And well, for whatever reason, I think it's because they're transparent. They're transparent. Their fees are fair, and what have you. But I agree with you on that, Jay. I definitely do. So yeah, we covered eBay, we covered the markets, we covered XRP, now available in New York for any of the New York listeners. Gather some XRP before XRP hits $5,000. No, I'm just messing with you. But yeah, you definitely do want to gather some XRP before you see these massive price increases. I mean, we could definitely see a $5 XRP, very possible. $10 XRP, very possible. And when you're getting it under 50 cents, I think, you know, do the math there. If you get XRP under 50 cents and it gets up to $10, I mean, you just made a massive amount of money, even if you didn't invest a lot, you know? So, how's the audio sounding on the live stream, guys? Is the audio sounding all right? I want to make sure it's sounding good. Just let me know if it's sounding good. I have green live stream health, which is good. We're in the green. But just let me know in the chat if anyone, if it sounds all right. If the live stream sounds all right. My mouth is real dry. Ooh. All right. I guess we'll finish off the stream by taking some questions. If anyone has any questions, we could definitely take some. And then we could wrap up the stream. Jay says, I've been timing your streams and it's been roughly 22 to 27 minutes. Might as well make it a solid 30 because most people need a minute for the notifications. Okay. I can make it a solid 30. We could take questions. We could, something else I wanted to talk about. Let's see. Talk about some other news today. What's this with Samsung? Samsung confirms it's planning more blockchain phones. We can talk about that if you want. Would anyone actually buy a blockchain phone? Or it's a little bit misleading on to call them blockchain phones. I mean, they're phones that have blockchain capabilities. They have wallets in them, so it's not like you're just getting something related to crypto. They're great phones. I have an iPhone, so I don't have a Samsung, but I definitely what do you guys want to talk about the Court of Settler? How many minutes are we at? Yeah, we could talk about the Court of Settler. Ooh. Okay. There's no new news on it. I mean, I have positive thoughts on it. R3 as a company, you know, there was that lawsuit with them, and I think that's something we should all consider when we're like, you know, we have our teams, if you will. But I still think the Court of Settler is going to, you know, it's not a game changer, but it's something that I think is positive. To me, the game changer when it comes to XRP is going to be at least in my opinion, I like that Ripple is investing in companies and startups, and you know, things with Coil, to actually like create new ecosystems around XRP. So that's always been my thing. I think getting in with the banks. Sorry, my lip is like. My lip is just chapped. Jay says, I'll finish and I'll get to the other comments. What was I going to say? I think XRP and the Court of Settler and also getting in with the banks and remittance services, I think that is great. I really do. But I'm more interested in the like new applications being built, because I'm always looking at the next big thing. You know, banks are cool, you know, getting in with the banks, getting in with remittance services, that's all awesome. But I'm always looking at things that's going on with Coil, with XRP, Tipbot, with Ripple investing in new companies to build around XRP, because that's when you create entirely new economies. right? You can create an entirely new economy, an entirely new ecosystem around XRP by investing in startups. So that's my thoughts on that. XRP use case does need to expand. Jay says, why can't they just create an app rather? Galaxy S10 has a hardware wallet, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a hardware wallet. I'm not sure why they didn't just create an app. It probably would have been more cost effective, but who really knows on that? I mean, I think, did I have it up? Where'd I put it? I thought I had the article up. Samsung has been channeling its blockchain activities exclusively through its Samsung SDS IT services arm. However, it is no longer the Samsung. Okay, so when it comes to like R and research and development, what they're doing is they're doing it through a subsidiary, and I think for the phone it's a hardware wallet. I'm not sure why they did that. Yes, I agree. That is why Ethereum is huge, because of that. Jay says that's why I believe ETH is huge. I mean, ETH is just a very versatile blockchain. You can build almost anything on it, you know? And I think XRP will get there, right? But it's just a matter of time. But yeah, ETH definitely has huge capabilities when it comes to that. Check the stream. Definitely agree. Yeah, we're gonna do another 4 minutes. Maybe take some questions. We talked about a lot today. Try and get it to a half-hour stream. Maybe we could play some coin poker. No, I'm not gonna waste some money on that. I did see the 8K reach today. I saw it on my HODL app. I have an app on my phone called HODL that I check basically every morning and then every hour after that. But yeah, I saw the 8K and I was surprised. It moves so quickly. It moves remarkably quick. I mean, crypto has always moved quick, but it just, even as someone like myself who's been in crypto for quite a few years now, it still surprises me all the time. It really does. I don't know. Should I end the stream now? We're at about 27 minutes. We have about 10 people. We've had good viewership. We've had a solid 10 to 15 people in here most of the stream. So it's been good. Maybe just I'm gonna talk a little bit about content wise, what I should do going forward on the channel. No, I used to do more videos, but the live streams have been, I enjoy the live streams more because I get to interact with you guys, and I also don't have to edit videos, which editing is a pain. Videos would generally get me more views, but the live streams get me more watch time. But just let me know, guys, what do you want to see more going forward? Do you like the live stream? Should I do, a live stream 5 days a week, right? And just do that and let that be that? Or do you want a mix of live streams and videos? Or do you want just videos? Well, I know most of you probably don't want just videos because you're here in the live stream, but let me know content-wise what I should do to improve, really, to make sure I'm putting out more content and better content and more frequent and at the right times. Do you want more videos? Do you want more live streams? Do you want longer live streams? Let me know in the chat what you guys would like. We'll give it a couple minutes just because it's always a delay before you guys respond. But let me know what you guys want. Do you want more live streams? Because I could turn it into Monday through Friday a live stream, We're almost about 30 minutes. Oh my god, my throat hurts. Okay, Jay says, do what works for you. Survey YouTube statistics. All right, definitely we'll start doing some of that. I like the live streams. Maybe I'll do like 1 video a week and 4 live streams, something like that. The live streams, again, they do get more watch time, but they get overall less views. But we'll see. I think going forward, I want to do the live streams. And if YouTube will recommend them when they turn to video on demand and things like that, I definitely will do that. But yeah, so that's been about 30 minutes. Thank you, Jay, for coming out the stream as always, buddy. I really appreciate it, and thank you for the super chat. Again, always appreciate it. Thank you everyone else who came to the stream and talked about some crypto, some XRP. We talked a little bit about Corda We talked a little bit about Samsung, but we also talked about eBay. We talked about the market as a whole. Talked about XRP now being on Coinbase. For New York users, obviously it's been on Coinbase. I have an XRP wallet with Coinbase, but for your New York users, which for a while wasn't available. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming out to the stream. It's been about half hour now, and I'll catch you all next time. Have a great day.